Today we're going to discuss about the verbs. So how to say I am eating, have you eaten, and things like that. Okay. Okay. So aha bụ Ijeoma Kubwe. Right? I bring you teachings about Igbo language. And over the past 1 week, 2 weeks, we've been discussing about setting goals, okay, in learning Igbo. And we set ourselves a goal for this month of August to learn about eating food. So last week, we learned the food names, okay? Today, we're going to discuss about the verbs. So how to say I am eating, have you eaten, and things like that, okay? So I'll start with this, okay? So I'm eating now, okay? Na-eri, yeah? Na-eri. Yes, so when you're eating, it's na-eri, yeah? And Iribeghị or Iriela, that means have you eaten, yeah? When somebody asks you, Iriela, have you eaten, okay? Okay, and then you say, Eriela, okay? And if you want to find out what somebody's eating, ke ihe ị na-eri, ke ihe ị na-eri, what are you eating? Ke ihe ị na-eri, okay? So it says, m na-eri osikapa. In my case, m na-eri akara or m na-ata akara, yeah? Okay? M na-eri akara, yeah? Okay, so ke ihe ị na-eri, what are you eating? Okay? M na-eri so and so. M na-eri agwa, m na-eri akara. Or m na-ata akara. Yeah, m na-ata is used for things like chewing. So when you're having snacks, so you can just say m na-ata, it means you're chewing sort of crepes or biscuit, things like that. M na-ata achicha, m na-ata achicha oto, that's cake. Okay? So once again, let's go over it. So when I'm eating, the way to say it is na-eri nri. I'm eating food. Na-eri nri. Okay, in this case, na-eri akara, right? Okay. Iriela nri. I'm asking you now, have you eaten? Iriela nri. And if you have, you say Eriela nri. Eriela nri. If you haven't, Eribeghị riri, okay? And if you want to ask somebody, what are you eating? Ke ihe ị na-eri. Ke ihe ị na-eri, what are you eating? And if they've already finished eating, that's a past tense. You want to know what they ate. Ke ihe ị riri. Ke ihe ị riri, what did you eat? Okay? So this is just a snapshot of the verbs that we talk about when we're eating food, okay? I'll sort of put the notes below the video so you can see how they are written, okay? Na-asụkwa Igbo.